The problem is that most of the developed world is in regions that are colder.
Yeah.
So Europe, North America. So these are the places where you're not getting those kind of returns, because the way that you measure the return is how much energy you can produce.
Yeah.
So if you've got a solar irradiance, like Namibia has got 9 times the solar irradiance of Scotland, for example. So that means you're producing 9 times more energy, obviously going to get far greater returns. But people are often thinking, where's the money normally come from? It comes from the likes of North America, it comes from Europe.
Yeah.
So these guys are used to a world where you're not making those kind of returns.
Okay.
You often need subsidies in order to be able to have solar in places where the sun doesn't really shine.
Yeah.
So there is that gap in knowledge often in terms of knowing, well, if you put solar where there is high solar radiance, you're going to be getting these kind of returns. But again, as mentioned, the issue has been trust.
Yeah.